Crazy cool kids crafting. Let's make a DIY hanging bird feeder. It's bright and practical for the garden, so let's get started. Choose bright colors to paint these wooden birdhouses. Grab your can and shake it well for 1 minute. And then you can start spray painting. Make sure to use a drop sheet and make sure you're spray painting in a well-ventilated area or outside. Spray in light and even strokes, applying 1 coat at a time and allowing for drying between coats. What's great about the Rust-Oleum nozzle is you can spray paint from all angles. What is awesome about using Painter's Touch Plus? It contains more solids and premium pigments, providing super coverage, allowing you to complete your projects faster and easier. Just loving these bright colors. Now let's allow for the spray paint to fully dry. Let's get to some interesting facts. Did you know that birds are warm-blooded animals and lay eggs? Birds eat seeds, fruit, insects, nectar, fish, or small mammals. Their bodies are covered with feathers and they have wings. Feathers have 3 functions: flight, temperature regulation, and display. Let's get back to our project. The birdhouses are now dry. The final stage is to use Painter's Touch Plus in a clear sealer. This will help our project live and last that much longer because it's staying outdoors. Apply 1 to 2 coats and allow layers to fully dry before applying the next. Next, grab a drill and drill 4 holes in the corners of this long plastic drip tray for plants. That will enable you to feed some string through, tie a knot on the end, and have a hanging mechanism for our DIY bird feeder. Now you can apply some adhesive to the bottom of the bird feeders and stick them into position on the plastic drip tray. Allow to dry. And there you have it, your hanging bird feeders now complete. Fill it up with bird seed. And then hang it in your favorite spot in the garden, adding some brightness and a great place for all the birds to come and have a bite to eat. We hope you enjoyed this crafting project. Remember to follow us on social media for more projects like this one. And remember, happy crafting!